Alright, this is one of the modern wood mills, portable ones. This is to show you how they work. Look at that. What's that for an engine, guys? They're pretty easy. I've seen a lot of them in display, and we've had them at the house before when we cut all the pine trees out back to open up the property. This is a portable sawmill, the wood Mizer. It's all hydraulic. It'll take you about $25,000 to have one of these, but it's a good business because everyone likes to have their wood sawed off from their own property when they buy a piece of land with a lot of wood on it, and then they use the wood to build their home. All they gotta do is dry it out. There you go. See how you just slice off the sides there, and then you end up with your plank. And you just start off right there with your wood. Cool. There's another one, a little bit smaller. It's an LT15 sawmill. Also a wood Mizer. Look at that. You start with your long. Take off the sides. There you end up. That's cool. This one's a little bit cheaper because it's smaller and everything. This will take you about $9,000.